Attach the front pipe, labeled A, to the main frame, labeled B, by aligning the screw holes on both parts and inserting 2 carriage screws, labeled F, into the holes with an arc washer, labeled G, in between the front pipe and the main frame. Secure the nuts with a cap tighten, labeled H, with the included wrench. Attach the rear eye-shaped pipe, labeled C, with the main frame by aligning the screw holes on the smaller part of the eye-shaped pipe. Insert 2 carriage screws into the holes and secure with a cap nut on the side nearest the main frame. Tighten the nuts securely with the included wrench. Insert 2 AAA batteries into the monitor. Insert each pedal into the correct arm on the sides of the main frame. The pedals are marked with L and R. Note that the pedals adjust the opposite method than standard righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Begin pedaling to activate the monitor. The monitor will shut off automatically after 2 minutes of no activity.